Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make butter ka poha. Rinse the poha gently, drain, and let it rest covered for 5 minutes while you prepare the pan. Warm a non-stick skillet, add butter and mustard seeds to pop, then add curry leaves and green chilies for fragrance. Keep the heat medium-low and stir gently to avoid breaking the flakes and ensure even coating. Warm butter in the pan and add the tempered spices for that nutty aroma, then toss in onions until soft and fragrant. Add turmeric and salt, stirring to combine, and fold in the soaked poha gently so it doesn't break. Sprinkle a bit of sugar and mix to brighten the flavors, then add chopped coriander and lemon juice to finish with fresh citrus notes and balance the richness. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to support more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and hands-free timers to your kitchen, so you can set 5-minute rests without touching your phone and enjoy a cooking soundtrack. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and if you love it, it makes a great gift. Now let's get back to the video. Finish the dish with crunchy peanuts or roasted cashews for texture, and squeeze fresh lemon for a bright lift that cuts through the butter. Toss in chopped coriander and Czech seasoning, adjusting salt if needed, then plate the poha while it's warm for best aroma. Serve immediately alongside hot chai or a dollop of plain yogurt to complement the buttery, savory flavors and make it a comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.